Okay, so I have already created many classes here. So I am just simply clicking on one of these programs. Okay, so my BlueJ isn't responding, I guess. Some technical glitch is found then. Okay. Yeah. So this is our question. To enter 10 numbers in an array and print the average of largest and smallest number. So firstly, we have to know how to find out the largest and smallest number. It is only then can we find the average of it. To find the largest number, first let us specifically focus on largest number. How are we supposed to find the largest number in a program? Okay, for that, firstly you see this is the normal way how we start a program. This is the package I've used: import java.util class. You can write it any your class could be any name, but yes, you have to follow the guidelines as provided by Java to name any class. After that, I write void main here, then int ar. So this line is important because it is through this that you declare an array in Java programs. Int ar, opening and closing square brackets, is equals to new int 10. Now this 10 signifies in the storage capacity of array. If you were to type instead of 10, if you were to type here 5, then the program would take only 5 numbers by the user, and after entering the fifth number we would have got the output. However, we need 10 numbers as per the question, so we are here entering 10. Now this is also the same line. I hope you are very friendly with this line: scanner s is equals to new scanner system.in. After that, I will print a statement: system.out.println, enter 10 numbers. This statement allows you to print the words or whatever is written inside these double quotes. Whatever is written inside these double quotes gets printed. So for the user's ease, I have typed here enter 10 numbers, so user automatically gets an idea that he has to type 10 numbers. Now I've also initialized certain variables for that. For example, I, J, L, K. Okay, so you'll get to know why I have done those. Firstly, I have to enter 10 numbers, to take 10 numbers. Okay. हम बहुत धीरे बोल रहे समझी. Okay, for that, so here you see, so we need to enter 10 numbers, right? For that, I've used a loop here: I is equals to 0, I less than 10, or and then I plus plus. So if I take from 0 to 1, 0 to 9, here if I have written less than 10, means it will take 9. If I had written here less than or equal to 10, then it would have taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Since I don't want 10 to be included, I've just written here less than 10. So why is it so? Because an array doesn't start with 1. For it, the numbering goes on from 0. So I is equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So how many numbers is it going to take? Is it how many? So it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this automatically means that it has taken 10 numbers. So okay, now after this, what are we supposed to do? Here ar of I is equals to sc dot next int. Here I is the variable which it has taken. I have used I as a variable to enter the numbers. So here all the 10 numbers will get stored. So the 10 numbers could be 75 as per the user's choice. We don't know what it is, so randomly entered. Okay, so all these numbers get saved here. All these numbers I mean, these numbers get saved here. Okay, these numbers, 100, this 75, 21, it is saved here. After that, I will take another variable. It will store ar of 0 plus 1. Ar of 0 plus 1, you know why? Let me not tell it to you right now, because we are now focusing on the largest number. For largest number, we have to again follow the same protocol as we did it here. Okay, because we want to find the largest number out of 10. So I've used this loop. Okay, so if ar of k is greater than l, ar of k, what is ar of k? Ar of 0 means whatever I've entered as the first number will be stored here in ar of k. Now this is different for different values of k. So firstly, it will store AR of k is equals to 0. So AR of 0. For example, the first number which I entered was 75. So here it will store 75. Okay. So it will check if 75 is greater than L. L is 0, right? I've taken it here. I've initially uh, given the value of L as 0. So I've kept the 0 if 75 is greater than 0. I am sure that this is very true. So what it does, L stores AR of k's value. So L becomes what does it become? It becomes 75. The second time, okay, let me take one more number. Okay, I'll tell you why. Second time we have 21. Okay, this is so AR of this is AR of 1. Now after updation, k becomes 1. So AR of 1 is 21. So it will check whether 21 if 21 is greater than L. What was L here? See, what was L here? It's 75. Is it true? Please let me know. Oh, come on, this is not true. So what will it do? It will do nothing, of course, because there's no else part here. So it will again shift to k. Now k becomes 2. So AR of k, AR of 2. What is AR of 2? 53. Again it will tally if 53 is greater than 75. You know why 75? Because L has not been updated yet. L is still 75 unless and until the number it encounters or the number it compares turns to be greater than the value of L. L won't get updated. So it again checks if is 53 greater than 75. Now this is also not true. So again what happens? K gets updated. K is now 62. Okay. Sorry, I'm so sorry. K is now 3. I misstood it. Okay, now AR of 3. What is AR of 3? AR of 0, AR of 1, AR of 2, AR of 3. AR of 3 is 62. Now I'll check if 62 is greater than 75. Is it true? No, this is also false. Okay, let me again shift to K. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so K becomes 4. AR of 4 is AR of 4, 81. So again it compares here. Is 81 greater than 75? Is it so? Yes, it is true. So now 75 becomes what? 75 becomes 81. So here you see, if I were to enter just 5 numbers in this array, I would have got 81 as the largest number. And okay, I'm taking one more number, 42. Again, so it becomes AR of, now K again updates and becomes 5. Again I'll check if I'll check if AR of 5, AR of K is 5, AR of 5. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So AR of K is 42. If 42 is greater than L, is 42 greater than L? What is L here? Here you see L's latest value is 81. Is it true? No, it is false. So after, I'm not now focusing on smallest number. I will tell you in next video, in my upcoming videos. So now चुप ना, बोल रहे ना, कुछ कर रहे तो तभी भी बोलते चढ़ी है, हमको नहीं पता. So the largest number now is 81. So I'm not focusing now on smallest number. We are now just knowing how to find the largest number. So after it comes out of the loop, this is how you are going to find the average. So let me tell you, this is how we found the largest number. In my next video I'll tell you how to find the smallest number, and after that, of course, finding the average.